your role in this was to dissect all of that and try to build and layer that structure so there were logical pathways. And then I'm presuming from there it went to the programmers, and then the programmers will then integrate that into the database.
There's a lot going on. So when you ask a question, what happens is, just like I ask you a question, what you'll do is you'll kind of tilt your head back and you'll, okay, and then you'll maybe say something as a pause. So all these things essentially, initially, were written in.
Right.
All right, so in a sense, because there's where the theater director comes in, the playwright.
Right.
So it's like, Bina, how are you doing? And it's like, it was her line, but we would put these markers in there, and they were essentially identified like, that's a good one. And then you basically have to direct like the right eyelid goes up, a tilt. So if you ask it, tell me about this, and the robot just sits there like no movement or expression.
Would be in here. That would not be.
It wouldn't be interactive.
Yeah, that would be like me talking to my ex-wife.
Even now, if you ask me a question and I like, you think like, I have Asperger or something. It's not social. It's not social. It's interactive. And so part of the communication, part of probably 80 to 90% of our conversation is either directly interactive with gestures and movement, or affirmations that associate with language.
Right.
So we're communicating with language, but basically a lot of it, my hand movement, my head gesture, all these things are messages that are meant to engage and also to augment what's being said. And that's the logic behind a humanoid social robot.